Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are making a delicious Nigerian breakfast. Boiled green plantains with egg sauce. Cut the green plantains into medium pieces. Rinse thoroughly and place in a pot of water. Bring to a boil and cook until the plantains are soft and fork tender. While the plantains cook, chop the red bell pepper, onion, and tomatoes. Next, mince the ginger and garlic. Mind you, I will list the full ingredients in the description. Just pay attention to get the details about this delicious recipe. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, viewers, both the returning and new ones. Your support keeps me going. Thank you so much and remain blessed. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you will know when next I upload another delicious recipe. Mince the scotch bonnet pepper if you are using it. Remember that this is hot, so if you don't like it, you can omit it, but it adds to the flavor though. My peppers come from the freezer. That's why you see little ice chunks on them. Beat the eggs and keep aside. Saute the onion until soft and fragrant. Add the minced ginger and garlic and saute for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now add the bell pepper and tomatoes and cook for about a minute or two. Next, go ahead and season the sauce. Use seasonings of choice. I am using curry powder, chicken bouillon, and turmeric. Add the scotch bonnet pepper and cook until well combined. Check for seasoning and adjust as needed. Pour in the beaten eggs and cook until done. Now add some spinach leaves. Combine everything together so that the spinach will wilt. And then the delicious egg sauce is ready. Just look at that. Flavorful and super delicious. You can use it to eat your green plantains or your white rice or boiled yam, or as you wish. Our green plantains are fully cooked. They are soft and fork tender. Now go ahead and drain them. Serve hot with our flavorful egg sauce. Then dig right in and enjoy your life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, please. Go ahead and share with others to enjoy the deliciousness with you. And subscribe if you haven't done so. See you in the next video. Bye for now.